Any conversation about race in schools has to begin with an honest assessment around equitable practice. It has to. And I'm going to tell you why. With information being everywhere you turn, with technology flattening the world, with us being bombarded with messages, narratives, everything, it is easy for us to be off track, to get off our track. And what I'm telling you is this. I've been black a long time, 53 years as of a couple of weeks ago. I've been black a while, and I'm telling you what's going to happen. If we don't build a solid foundation for these conversations, it's going to be cosmetic, right? It's going to be the flavor of the months, and it's going to fade away. And or your honest and sincere efforts are going to ring hollow, and they're going to be compromised because we don't have a solid foundation. I'm telling you this. Listen, I could make the next hour and a half super sensational and tell you tons of stories about racism and microaggressions and cultural competency, and those are all legitimate issues. But I'm telling you, if your foundation isn't solid, everything's going to ring hollow. And the same thing same thing carries for equity issues. Any conversations around equity has to start with equitable practice. And I'm a simple man. I don't like ambiguity. And sometimes equity work can go into this ambiguous space of feelings and perceptions. I need something tangible. Because I feel more in control. My efficacy increases when I have something that I can grab hold of and execute the next day.